Let us load legal size paper into tray 1. Let's open the tray. Let's remove the paper in tray 1. To load legal size paper, you'll notice that there's a tab over here. Push on the tab and pull out tray 1. Next, load some legal size paper into tray 1. Remember to use the width adjuster over here. Then push back the tray. When you push back the tray, control panel will have a message. You need to modify the paper size. So you need to change the paper size from letter to legal, and the paper type remains as plain paper. Then it is done. One other thing that you may notice is that when you load legal size paper, tray 1 is protruding out. This is normal. Likewise for tray 2, if you need to load legal size paper, there is a tab over here where you can pull out the tray. So this is how you load legal size paper into tray 1 or tray 2 for your HP OfficeJet Pro 9025 printer.